In this video, we show you the easiest way to reattach your screen or back cover after your smartphone repair. Have fun! Hi, I'm Annika from iDoc. Glad to have you tuning in. At the end of any repair, you'll need to reseal your smartphone. The remaining glue is not always strong enough for this. That's why you sometimes have to re-glue your screen or back cover. We'll show you the easiest way to do this in this video. Usually, either the back cover or the screen of a smartphone is attached with an adhesive frame. It protects the inside of the smartphone from dust and water. After opening your smartphone, there are two possibilities. Either the adhesive frame is still in good condition, or it is damaged. So take a closer look at your adhesive frame before you seal your smartphone again. If the adhesive frame is still in good condition, you can simply reuse it. In this case, you do not have to apply a new adhesive frame to your screen or back cover. However, you might have to make a few adjustments in places. You can use scissors and a pair of tweezers for this. If you notice any major flaws, remove the old adhesive frame completely and apply a new one. A major flaw is, for example, if entire sections of the adhesive frame are missing or form lumps. As a result, the device may no longer close properly. Also, if you leave your smartphone open for a long time, the strength of the adhesive frame can be reduced by deposited dust. First, heat the old adhesive frame with hot air and then carefully pull it off from the edge of the back cover or screen. You can use tweezers, a spatula or spatula to remove the glue bit by bit. To make sure that all adhesive residues are removed, you can lightly soak a cloth with cleaning alcohol and run it over the edge. But never apply the alcohol directly to the case frame. If you buy a replacement back cover, an adhesive frame is usually integrated and you only have to remove the protective film. When replacing the screen, the speakers, etc., you normally have to get a separate adhesive frame to be able to completely seal your phone again. The adhesive frame has to match your smartphone model so that it will sit precisely on the case frame. The new adhesive frame is surrounded by a protective film on each side. Before you remove the protective film, you should first align the new frame on a trial basis. You can orientate yourself on the cutouts in the adhesive frame and its corners, since they are different. Once you have aligned it correctly, peel off the first protective film from the bottom of the adhesive frame. Press it firmly onto the frame of your smartphone. There should be no trapped air bubbles under the adhesive frame. To ensure all bubbles are removed, you can run your finger firmly over the frame a few times or use a spatula. When the adhesive frame is in place, you can also peel off the middle part of the protective film. The remaining protective film on the edge of the case should be only removed shortly before the final sealing of your device. As long as you're only provisionally attaching the screen for testing, it may remain on the edge. If you notice that the adhesive frame does not adhere evenly in some places or that it wrinkles, try to carefully loosen it again and realign it. To ensure that the new adhesive frame bonds properly, you should heat it up for a few minutes after closing your smartphone. Then weigh it down with some books for about half an hour. I hope you enjoyed our video and that it was helpful. If so, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Good luck with sealing your smartphone. You can find high-quality tools, spare parts and accessories for your smartphone repair in our store. iDoc. Everything for your smartphone. Find more helpful videos here. See you next time.